I truly thought I've seen it all until the Dallas Mavericks game last night. I truly cannot believe they did that to this man. Like, and let me tell you, I have been a Dallas Mavericks fan since they were a team. We named our cat after this team in the 90s. And to be fair, I'm not like the most massive Luka fan, but I still love him. Obviously, he used to play for the Dallas Mavericks, but what the Mavericks did to him last night makes me literally want to make phone calls and be like, you do realize you're the ones that got rid of Luka, right? It felt like, I don't want to use the word gaslighting, but whoo, that felt like a whole lot of gaslighting. Hi, welcome to my channel where I do hauls, but first I'm going to talk about basketball because that is my favorite sport, the NBA specifically, and my jaw was dropped when I saw what they did last night, the Dallas Mavericks organization, to Luka, as if what they already did wasn't bad enough, where they traded him without even telling him in the middle of the night. Next thing you know, he's on a plane to the Los Angeles Lakers. No offense, that one hurts. That one hurts, okay? And never, by the way, never in NBA history has anyone ever traded their star player. Like, no one does that. That's not a thing that you do. And we didn't even make an even trade on top of that. No offense to Anthony Davis, and then the other guy. But like, literally even those two combined are not Luka. Nobody actually will even ever be Luka. Even my favorite player, Kyrie Irving, like, I love the man. And he's out too. He got injured too. You know why? Because they kept playing him so much because they got rid of Luka, which that's the whole irony of this whole situation. They played Kyrie so much because we had nobody left in the roster because they got rid of Luka on their own. Kyrie's injured, he's out, and now we have nobody. Anthony Davis is finally back from his little stomach stent. Don't get me started on that, please. Don't get me started on that. So then we're playing the Los Angeles Lakers again last night, and the Mavs decide to do a video tribute to Luka? If that's not a slap in the face, I don't know what is. The man was crying. Like, everyone knows. Like, let's just call a spade a spade. Everyone knows Luka does not want to be with the Los Angeles Lakers. He wants to be with the Dallas Mavericks. That was his dream. He always wanted to play for them. He basically wanted to be the next Dirk, which in hindsight, he is. And his team, his beloved team, just pulled the rug out from underneath him. And then he comes back and plays on the home court, and they make a tribute to him. And in the video, by the way, the videos, they're showing him as he's sitting there by himself, cameras all in his face, people around him, cameras all in his face. They're showing when he used to play for them, for the Mavericks. I don't know who in the Mavs organization decided that that was a good idea. But even I know that in America, we don't do that. We don't do that. If you are going to make that decision, which was piss poor, you don't then go back and try to smooth feathers. No, you gotta own it now, and you gotta move on. Meanwhile, Nico is hiding in the tunnel. No, really, he's hiding in the tunnel. I don't know why, but something tells me it was his idea. And because I don't think the man knows. I don't think he knows how things work here. But no, you don't trade your best player, and then when they come back, you make a tribute video to them when they used to be a Dallas Mavericks, when you know they never wanted to leave the team to begin with. That's called a slap in the face where I'm from. And that was the most embarrassing, the most confusing, the sloppiest, the worst thing you could probably ever do to somebody. And you know what? The Mavericks fans knew. that were in attendance last night at that game, they knew, and every time Luka made a shot, they clapped for him, and he got a standing ovation at the end. That's right. That's right. That's right. We will support him. Because what is happening in the Dallas Mavericks community is the most laughable. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I got a haul to show you. I'm gonna stop. I have no words. I think it was Nico Harris. Did he honestly think doing a video was gonna smooth feathers over? Did he? Oh man. The worst part about all of this is the trade still does not make sense. So something fishy is definitely going on, and I'm not a fan of it. Okay, let me show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. As you can tell, I'm still sick. So I'm gonna try to not talk as much since I just did a whole lot of talking about that. But I'm sorry. If you watched the video, you would be baffled. Here's my receipt. I spent $47.75. Oh, something on here was $1.50. Well, that's interesting. I'll show you guys what that is. Two things actually won't be in this haul. I got a Coke and a Sprite. So those are already gone. And yeah, so just know that if you like to total up my videos. Okay. I got another one of these, the microfiber duster mop pad. Dollar Tree put out like a whole line of brooms and like accessories, but you have to buy everything kind of separate. So you have to buy the handle and then the head attachment. And then I love this. I use this to dust baseboards, walls, my vents. You can even do ceiling fans too if you want. So I love this gal. Then I found these in the checkout aisle. They are shoe charms. Dollar Tree is also selling croc dupes. And now they're giving us the little charms to go in them. Of course, I'm gonna use mine for junk journaling, but thought that was still an exciting drop at Dollar Tree. I picked up these little hair clips. I really like these, especially for thin-haired girlies. This is gonna be a really good clip. So I got that. Then I picked up several fairy items. If you didn't watch my home goods haul with Micah, I took her to Hobby Lobby and she picked out a bunch of like fairy items, but Dollar Tree has it too. So I got these for her, and honestly, they are so adorable, if not better than the Hobby Lobby selection. So this is a little tree table with the daisy, and then you get this little like stand with the birdhouse on it. Adorable. And also this is because Micah has a little walking trail that we've gone on since 2020, and apparently some kids like started a little fairy garden section, so she wants to like bring some goodies for them. Then I got her this one, which is like a little entrance to the town kind of sign. I love that the birds are pink and yellow. And then I got these little chairs. I mean, for $1.25, that's pretty good to me. Then I got this fountain, and I guess that's the bucket. And then, wait, I got more than, oh, here we go. And then I got this chair set with the butterfly back. Stop, that's adorable. Then I picked up more of these. So I hauled this one not too long ago, this little travel kit, a shower kit. The yellow one has little airplanes, but by the way, I have seen the white that have airplanes on it too, and I think there's like a teal or aquamarine color that has the airplanes on it. I decided to get a 2-pack, so this is my 2nd pack, of the yellow because I wanted my collection to match. I thought it would be really fun for like summer traveling. And then I got the orange. Now the orange doesn't have any print on it, which I like, but I thought that this combination could be really fun and vibrant for summertime. So that's what I did there. Oh, here's another chair set. What? Like, look at all these chairs. How cute is that, right? So I can't wait to give that to Micah. Then I picked up another one of these. My stores just restocked it, so I got it again. This is the Brightening Toner Pads by Global Beauty Care. I love this. I love anything that's gonna have that brightening effect. If my camera would focus. But yeah, toner pads. That is such a great item for Dollar Tree to release. Glycolic acid, lemon, and honey. So that's a great combination. I got a bunch of ribbons. Just some white and some pink for my craft room. And I got this again. This is the dishwasher cleaner. I actually use these and I think that it works really well. So, I mean, it's just $1.25. You get 6 tablets in here. So I needed to restock that. And then I found the other BPURE spray. This is in the tropical hibiscus scent. So cute. I love that it's like thin and flat. Oh, sorry, Micah's like texting me. She's like, getting my nails done. What are you doing? Ranting on the internet about Luka Doncic and Nico Harris. That's what I'm doing. I mean, don't take me back there. This was the $1.50 item, which surprises me. This is the emergency little packet. You get 2 packs in here. I'm actually gonna, I mean, I'm already full force into this. Okay. I have given up and accepted my fate. As a matter of fact, I'm going to the doctor right after this again. So, but this I got to just travel with. My brother actually used to do this all the time because he travels a lot. Like, the man is more in the air than he is on the ground. And I remember he always used to do this all the time. Then I found this little magnet. How cute. Look at Dollar Tree giving us some cute little home pieces for such a great price. So it's just put like the Wi-Fi password on it. And then Jot put out these little sticky notes. Like, so it looks like this, but then when you open it, oh my gosh, how cute is that? Isn't that adorable? And then this one has like balloon dogs. So looks like this. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love when Dollar Tree puts these out. They don't put them out very often. I would say maybe once a year. Sometimes maybe a little longer. Maybe like every year and a half, it kind of feels like. I'm gonna just tackle this back in here. Y'all, I'm sweating. Okay, in here, I found Coastal Bay put out even more candies. So again, this is a nod to one of my last hauls where I took you guys shopping with me and found out that this Coastal Bay put out some new candies. So now they're doing sour belts. Oh my gosh. I found this Haribo Star Mix, but it looks like the mushroom mix or something. There's definitely a new set of gummies in this one, like these two. So one is like a fried egg, one is a heart, and yeah, new soft and squishy shapes. So this is definitely a new pack. And then I had to just get the classic Coca-Cola bears. And then I got some new candy, more freeze dried. This is called Brain Freeze. So they kind of look like Skittles, but there's not very much in here. But it's still a new pack of candy anyways. I think this will be great for an Easter basket because freeze-dried candy is very popular. Then I found this one, also great for the boys for the Easter basket. This is the Atomic Fizz Warheads. Yeah, it just looks like a soda can, but inside the candies are in there. And then look at her. I got her for my junk journaling. This just has that 70s look, and I love that the flavor's banana. I need to go back and get a couple more of those. Then I found some more Freeman's masks, which this has been surprising me lately because I would say that this is a big name brand, but they've been consistently appearing at Dollar Tree. So it's kind of making me wonder why. I also feel like they are kind of equally across the United States, and that's what I've seen when I travel. So I don't know if there's some type of like handshake deal here with Freeman and Dollar Tree, but just something to note. So this is a moisturizing gel mask. This is for dry skin. Glacier water hydrates, pink peony restores. And then this is an exfoliating scrub mask. So it's for uneven texture. Charcoal absorbs oil and coconut conditions. I got 2 of these. So 2 of those. And then BPURE put out a little hair kit. I believe there's a 3rd item to this kit, I think. It was kind of hard to tell based off of the packaging that it sits in, but this is the nighttime hair serum, which I desperately need. Nighttime ruins my hair like no other, and it's really hard for me to sleep in a bonnet. I don't know why, but I feel like I can't breathe, or like my head can't breathe. I don't know if that's like a real thing, but I struggle with a bonnet, but my hair gets so damaged when I sleep. Like I wake up and I am shocked at the condition of my hair. So I don't know, if you have any tips, please let me know. This is a daytime, so this is nighttime and daytime. So I guess maybe the collection just comes with the 2. This is a repairing hair mask. It smooths and softens, and it is powered by argan oil. So super cute little stuff. And we're gonna end this on such a shocking find at Dollar Tree. I geeked out and screamed. Like I could not believe this, but brace yourselves. Care Bears and strawberry shortcake. It is obviously in the form of bubble bath. It's body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. It's all 3. They have Lilo and Stitch. I forget who else they had. There was like 4 to choose from. Trolls. I saw Lilo and Stitch. Trolls, but strawberry shortcake and Care Bears had to come home with me. Like, look how freaking adorable this is. And it's actually the 80s strawberry herself, which is so funny to me. Like, why is the cartoon the new modern version when everybody wants this? Why don't they just do the cartoons like this again? And honestly, I would watch it. Not even a joke. Like, I would actually put strawberry shortcake on TV. As a matter of fact, I would watch the old school strawberry if I knew how to gain access to it. But I don't know how to access the older 80s strawberry shortcake cartoons. I don't think that you can. I don't know if I could do like a YouTube search on it, but anyways, here is Care Bears. And of course, it's also the cute 80s Care Bears too. They have the 80s faces to them because the new Care Bears, they look psycho as hell. There's no other way to describe it. I don't know who updated the Care Bears, but they are not it. They honestly, quite frankly, scare me with their looks. They're supposed to be cute and sweet and, you know, I don't know who's in charge of the kids' cartoons these days, but they're not doing it right. And that's gonna be it for today's haul. Thank you for being here with me. And did I just have like a sick, crazy look in my eyes? My bad. But I am gonna go to my doctor's appointment, but I had to share this with you guys. By the way, I'm not officially contagious anymore, but I do have to manage my asthma. So we're basically gonna do a steroid shot is what we're gonna do. Anyways, that is it for my haul, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.